Beating my chest like King Kong. It's on wrap my lips around a 40. And when it comes to getting other stogie fools all kicking like Shinobi, no, he ain't my homie to begin with. It's too many heads to be proper to let my friend hit it. Unless you pull out the fat crispy $5 bill on the reel before it's history. Cause fools be having them vacuum lungs. And if you let them hit it for free, you're hella dumb, 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 dumb. I come to school with the tailor on my earlobe.
Alright, so I wanted to review this design that I tried. Started about middle of last year, 2023, taking the foam teeny design that No Tame Closed posted. I approached it a little different. I didn't have straight up Depron foam, but I had foam board. It was heavier, so I didn't have success with the original design, so I made some changes of my own. I had one iteration of this that did very well. I was able to fly it at the beach and a few times. It could go really fast. I had my propeller and motor from my Nano Flurkin to run that one, and that was pretty cool. But then I made some changes trying to improve the fuselage and made it much worse, and it crashed and broke a camera. I don't even have footage of that because that's how bad it was. And so I put that aside for a bit. I ended up coming back to this at the beginning of this year, 2024, and rebuilt this because I wanted to give it another try. I had a great flight with this a couple times and wanted to really give it its due. I initially had the Zod Copilot in here with a GPS. I was hoping to be able to use that to help make it fly better and just utilize that all together. That didn't work, so I tried just a basic gyro and had that set up here, and I was able to get that up in the air. Alright, I finally got it up, and this time stayed up, did pretty well. It did alright. It's flops a little bit when it gets too fast. It's because this, I don't know if you can see, but it has kind of a flex between here. I should have run the whole thing across this, and so this weak point right there is where it will flop if there's too much or too little throttle. Otherwise, it grooves all right. The gyro helped a little bit, but once you get it going, it does okay. It doesn't climb very fast, probably because this part's small. If that was bigger, it'd probably do better. But I got about 3-4 minutes. The other version of this was about 6 minutes, and did all right. It didn't work as well as my Quick Light Wing, either version of it. You'll see something about that pretty soon here. I ended up calling this the Trash Hawk because the original iterations looked pretty beat up. Yeah, this one's a little cleaner, but I've since made better designs and kind of used those. So this is a good lesson in the iterative process of figuring out what designs work and what you can leave behind. And just kind of the whole fun of this for me is just trying different shapes out and seeing how we can get and seeing the results.
Cause homies nag me to take the dank out of the baggie. I got 5 on it, grab your 40, let's get in. Listen with that Indo weed. I got 5 on it, it's got me stuck and not go back. I got 5 on it, partner, let's go half on the sack.